Saudi Deputy Minister of Investment Saleh Khbti has voiced strong optimism about the prospect of business cooperation between Saudi Arabia and China during Xinhua's interview at the 7th Future Investment Initiative Forum in Riyadh.
The possibilities are unlimited. We have thousands of opportunities. 2023, we see about all the investments in China, more than doubled, more than $20 billion of investments. And we see big investments in the last 12 months. You have Dow Steel investing about $3 to $4 billion in Saudi Arabia.
The Saudi minister added that companies from the two countries could have a win-win partnership.
A lot of Chinese companies want to go out and invest. And Saudi Arabia plans to bring more than $3 trillion of capital formation and investments. So the Chinese companies are welcome to invest with other countries in Saudi Arabia, with Saudi partners, or with 100% ownership.